Costa Marina boats or the barges to come through, because these two are for Paradise Island. So we're gonna try to go there next time. We'll see what happens, but we'll try to enjoy. Okay. So if you're wondering how to get to the SAS Wharf, and if you want to go cross over to Samal, these are so this is in SAS. I'll show you the map. There is a decent line here, so I suggest you come here earlier than anything else. As you can see, you guys are just selling stuff here. But I believe to get on the boat, the resort we're going to, you can't bring anything outside of fruits. What's the resort we're going to, babe?
Huh?
What's the name of the resort we're going to?
Costa Marina. Costa Marina.
Okay. Yeah, so I think we're gonna be on here for a while. Right now, presently, it's about 8:15. So, we made a mistake. Well, we first went to get on the line. That's actually for the ferry that crosses. But the resorts, this particular resort, has their own wharf, which we found out after waiting online for like 30 minutes. But nonetheless, it is what it is. So we're here now. So it's a bit ways down. I'll put up the video where you need to turn to get there. I believe to book the place, like, well, there's 4 of us, so it was like 1,400. So we'll see what it is now. So I'll just show you. This is a huge parking lot here, but we'll see where the rest of the stuff is. So when you come here, try your best to come here as early as you can, because allegedly the guy said that the resort's pretty packed. I personally don't like packed resorts, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if we still have more space. If not, end of the day, we're just gonna try to jump in the water and have fun with the baby and the family, and yeah. Yay! How do you feel about going to the resort? No comment? How do you feel? Hey, beautiful. Hey, everyone. Hi, guys. This is my beautiful girl. We're gonna go on the boat soon, and then we're gonna go into the ocean, and we're gonna swim. You're gonna say hi to everyone? My girl's nosy. She's a people watcher. This girl loves people watching like daddy. Wink, wink. That was about like a 15-minute ride. Water here is clear and green. But I would have to say, I do like Cebu water more than the Getty water more. But it is clean, look. It is fairly clean. We'll see what happens. Seems like a fun place. I believe everyone will probably... Yeah, because they're going to be eventually putting that bridge together, and it'll help everyone, whether they're going to go in their own personal rides. It'll probably drop the ferry business a little bit, but nonetheless, it's going to help the population, the community. Should be great. I don't know if they're going to put a tolls on it, but should be great. I do like Samal, though, in general. I do eventually want to own a property in Samal, being that it's fairly affordable. So we'll see. So we are going to Costa Marina, and here we go, Costa Marina. So you will be checking in over here. We've already paid, so it should be okay to go through, but we're just gonna check in. Generally, that's the beach area right there. So now we're gonna be finding a spot now. So I really regret not bringing my vlogging setup, which is stupid of me, but as you can see, I think these are the cottages here. I gotta see the pricing here, but it is beautifully decorated from what I see. It goes up the hill. I don't know if you can see all the way back there, right there, back in there. But yeah, oh, there is a ski here. This could be the restaurant, I don't know. This looks like a function hall of some, and I do like this nativity scene right here. Very nice. So my initial reaction to this place is it's pretty nice. It's set up really nice. Has some good like amenities for what it is. It's really right. The water's right. The water's clean. I'm sure they probably cleaned it out. It looks really soft. No rocks. It looks really nice, to be honest with you. So for the value, I think it's a plus. So we'll see what happens. And so this particular spot, you're gonna have to rent the whole entire spot. But because of space-wise, the waiter's going out there to see if there's any available space. If there is, we're gonna be moving. If not, we can stay here. So we'll take it from there. Another great thing here is because all these trees make it nice and cool here. I know that the sun's might come out soon, but I do like this time where it's not really out. So you can see, covered by trees, it looks really nice. Aesthetically, it's very pleasing. Too much here. Hey, how are you? Order-wise, so this is what they have. Oh, huh? Upat. So this is the menu here. Fairly priced, pretty good. It's pretty decently priced here, babe. Okay, let's see what the... Everything's decently priced, and this is what the servings are. Also, a great thing is that, from what the waiter says, I don't know about American portions, but the food here is served between 2 to 3 people. So, as well, so we'll see what the portions are, and we're about to go in the water. We're gonna order first, and then I'll probably have the girls go in the water first, enjoy, and then I'll wait for the food. So the girls, mommy and the girls are gonna be taking pictures. It's just me and the booby. We're gonna go in the water soon after mommy comes back. Yeah. What are you playing with? Your hat? Okay, we're gonna go in the water when they come back, okay? Huh? You and daddy will go in the water, okay? I love you so much, huh? Oh, why are you so beautiful? The water feels really good. It's pretty warm today. As I said before, the sand is pretty clean. I think they clean everything out, unless it came here naturally. But yeah, pretty clean. So let's go out, and then from there, yeah.